In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add email signature in Freshsales Crm. An email signature is the text and branding that appears at the bottom of your emails, such as your name, role, company details, and helpful links. Setting this up in Freshsales CRM saves time and keeps your messages consistent because Freshsales can automatically pre-fill your signature whenever you write an email. To begin, make sure you are logged into your Freshsales account. Then go to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile icon. This opens a menu with account-related options. From that list, select Personal Settings. This is where Freshsales stores your personal preferences, including email configuration. Once you are in Personal Settings, look for the Email Settings tab and open it. Email Settings is the section that controls how your emails are sent and formatted inside the CRM, so this is the right place to add a signature that follows you across your outgoing messages. Now, scroll down until you find the Email Signature section. You will see an editor where you can enter the exact signature you want. Start by typing the basic text you want to appear, such as your name and any professional details that are appropriate for your team. Use clear spacing so the signature is easy to read. If you want to include a website or another resource, add it as a link so it is clickable for your recipients. If your signature needs branding, you can also insert an image, like a company logo. In the signature editor, click the image icon and add your image. Use a clean, reasonably sized logo so it does not overwhelm the email. It also helps to keep formatting simple because overly complex designs can look different depending on the email client your recipient uses. After you are happy with how the signature looks, click Save. This confirms your changes and stores the signature in your Freshsales profile. From this point forward, when you compose emails in Freshsales, your signature will automatically be pre-filled for you. You can still edit it in a specific email when needed, but your default signature will always be ready to go. And that covers everything you need to know.